Sunlight, water, and carbon dioxide provide the ingredients plants need. Plants never shop, so where does a leafy plant get its food? The answer is photosynthesis, a leaf-powered recipe that supports life. Roots lift water, while leaves collect carbon dioxide from surrounding air. Chlorophyll captures light energy inside tiny leaf structures called chloroplasts. Photo equals light. Synthesis equals putting together. Using that energy, plants make glucose and release oxygen into the air. Photosynthesis is the process by which green plants use light energy to make glucose from carbon dioxide and water. Why are plants green? Because of chlorophyll. It is the green pigment that absorbs light energy.